Presenting the Canon Pixma TS307 single-function wireless inkjet color printer. The printer is ideal for occasional home and small office usage requiring less than 100 pages per month. The compact design allows you to save your space on your desktop. The printer uses the inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints. It can only perform print function. It can print in color and black and white. Connect to the printer with Wi-Fi, USB, or the Canon Selfie app. You get a printing speed of up to 7.7 black and white pages or 4 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multiple paper sizes to help with your various print requirements. Get low printing costs at 5.3 rupees for black and white prints and 7.8 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is PG745S XL Black, CL746S XL Color. The printer supports borderless photo printing. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.